Get into a car with value. 2017 Cadillac CT6. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. Indulge your passion for the exceptional. The CT6 sedan's refined style, curated materials, and future-ready technology will exceed your expectations. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, head-up display, front massage seats, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, panoramic roof, sun, moon roof, navigation system, all-wheel drive. It's your time to shine. Make a bold statement in the CT6 sedan.